Tinnitus, a condition characterized by ringing or buzzing in the ears, can be a frustrating and disruptive problem. If you're looking for natural strategies to help alleviate the symptoms of tinnitus, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you through some effective techniques that you can try at home to create your very own tinnitus relief plan. One of the first steps in managing tinnitus is learning to relax. By reducing stress and promoting relaxation, you can help minimize the impact of tinnitus on your daily life. In this scene, we will explore various relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing exercises, yoga, and meditation, that have been proven to provide relief from tinnitus. Sound therapy is a popular approach for managing tinnitus symptoms. By introducing pleasant and soothing sounds, it can help mask or distract from the ringing in your ears. In this scene, we will discuss different types of sound therapy, including white noise machines, nature sounds, and specially designed tinnitus relief apps. Your diet can play a significant role in managing tinnitus. Certain foods and beverages can worsen tinnitus symptoms, while others may offer relief. In this scene, we will explore dietary changes that can help reduce the severity of tinnitus, such as avoiding caffeine and alcohol, increasing your intake of antioxidants, and incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your meals. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries to address various health issues, including tinnitus. In this scene, we will highlight some herbal remedies that have shown promise in relieving tinnitus symptoms, such as ginkgo biloba, zinc supplements, and melatonin. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new supplement. Creating a personalized tinnitus relief plan can help you regain control over your life and minimize the impact of tinnitus on your well-being. By incorporating relaxation techniques, sound therapy, dietary changes, and herbal remedies, you can develop an effective strategy to manage tinnitus symptoms naturally. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and guidance to start your own tinnitus relief journey.